Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Thursday, May 5th, 2022. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Teachers, please post your attendance. Also, all PST documentation should be current. If you have any students with yearbook money, I think we have just a handful left, maybe 3 or 4. Please send them to see Ms. Smith first thing this morning. Late duty today is Ms. Granger, and tomorrow is Ms. Peralta. Important dates. This week we have Teacher Appreciation Week in HMH Math. Today we have the DeBakey Drug Bus. May 6th we have School Lunch Hero Day. May 9th we have SWAT. May 9th through 11th we have our iReady Reading Diagnostic. May 10th we have Vision Research. May 11th Grad Walk. May 11th is also National School Nurses Day. May 12th Spring Picnic. May 18th PST. And May 19th Math PLT. We are down to just a couple of classes for our HMH Math Diagnostic, so I know those classes will be excited to get that finished, and we are pulling our students who haven't finished. Ms. Smith graciously pulled quite a few students yesterday. I will be pulling some into the computer lab today after these students get finished, so we will work on pulling those for you and get those finished up. Also, end of the year already reading diagnostic is next week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, so make sure you're aware of your times and dates. That's all for today's news. Have a thankful Thursday, Kate Shepherd.